Good afternoon, I'm calling from
Und
NHL.
dann so, was ist Network Hardware?
Network Hardware Resale.
Guten Tag, ich rufe von Network Hardware an.
I hope my NHL app.
こんにちは。ネットワークハードウェアの徳永です。
Buenos días, le llamo de Network Hardware.
Dzień dobry.
Now, with 6 offices around the globe, we've got equipment in every time zone. We can deliver next day, outside of, I think, 5 countries, everywhere in the world. And we've got techs in those countries that speak 25 languages.
NHR, by far, is the largest provider of new surplus and pre-owned networking equipment.
We buy and sell networks.
And we can deliver overnight to every major market.
We help customers save money.
And we put the equipment through rigorous testing here.
Price, performance, speed, flexibility, maintenance.
And this is what we do. This is what we do every day, every week, every month.
And we've been doing this for 25 years straight.
Generally, my lead time with Cisco Direct was 6 to 8 weeks.
No one's as fast as us. We own the hardware. We have it. Not only do we have it, but we have it in Santa Barbara, we have it on the West Coast, we have it in Dallas, we have it in Amsterdam, we have it in Singapore.
We've chosen these locations because we want to be able to ship one day away from every major market.
We provide such a great service by answering to people within a few minutes.
There's almost no bid or quote we couldn't provide, I think literally within a few minutes.
It's not a couple days to get a quote back and a couple more days to process an order and another week to ship it. It's out the door that day. We have a verified lower failure rate on pre-owned equipment that has been through our test facility than brand new out of the box.
And it's not just lower, it's actually drastically lower. We do sustained line rate load tests across every port.
Our failure rate's less than 0.5%, which is better than if you bought it new. Mostly because we test it so thoroughly.
Come out if you have time. You can see the level of testing we do. You can see that we have a Spirent Test Center.
One of the reasons other competitors don't use the Spirent Test Center is it's very expensive and it takes quite a bit of knowledge with Cisco and with Spirent.
You know, when you open a box at 3 o'clock in the morning and you're sitting in the middle of another country, it's nice to know that you're not going to have to get on the phone and have to try to solve a problem.
Just last week, I shipped a very large order to a very big customer. And the reason that they chose us, outside of pricing and availability, was our engineering support.
You're getting a completely configured chassis. All the cards are installed. Everything is set to their specifications, and they can just deploy it.
Yeah, we're one of the few in our space that configures, tests, does everything that a customer asks.
Because of the quality levels we're able to hit, we can offer a standard warranty that's one of the best in the business.
We do within 1 or 2 days. It's fantastic service.
We also provide a services side of our business, which is called NetSure.
NetSure is our premium support product that you can put on any product in your network, and it's going to save you a ton of money.
So they love us because we're low in price, we're really good with technical support, and we have the next business day replacement.
And I think in this day and age, yes, service and support is important, but also cost is a big factor. And I think if you compare apples to apples, NHR comes in at half the cost.
Customers come back to NHR over and over because we focus all of our processes on the customer.
We always come from the perspective of what's right for the customer.
Put the choice back in the hands of the customer so that they can manage their IT network their way.
Whatever it takes, whether it's a service or a product, whether it's configuration or design, whether it's shipping something or simply having a conversation in a consultative way.
The better we understand what pressures they're facing, we've got the flexibility here to take care of those things.
Much quicker than they could get it anywhere else. Much cheaper than they could get it anywhere else. With a much more responsive service orientation than anyone else.
This company is about achieving excellence every day, every deal, every customer, every time.